Okay, so 1.6 is on graphing linear equations. Just a quick review. Slope, or the rate of change, is the ratio that compares how much quantity changes relative to another quantity. So the triangle means is delta y over delta x, change in y over change in x. It's also known as the steepness of a line. So given 2 points, x1, y1, or x2, y2, the slope formula is y minus y over x minus x. Some of you remember the old Yum Yums over on the Christmas table. Not the Christmas table. The picnic table. Yum Yums on the Christmas. I did it again. Let's try this one more time. Yum Yums on the picnic table. I never use that one, but I know he'll do it. It catches. So if you can say it correctly. So there are different types of slopes. We have positive slope, and that's when it's going up and to the right. My little hint is write your name on the line. If your name is going uphill, it's positive. We have negative slope. Again, if you write your name on it and it's going downhill, it's negative. It's going down. Now the two that are most confusing. Here, we have a slope of 0, the quantity 0. The way I tell people to think about this is, think about walking on a treadmill. Okay? And when it's completely flat, what is the incline? 0. Then, we have the troublesome one, and this is no slope. What I tell people is, can you ski off this? If this was a ski lodge, would you try to ski down this part of the mountain? Well, no, you wouldn't, because there's no slope for you to ski. There is just a place for you to fall. So, find the slope. I don't get hung up on x1, y1, x2, y2 because you can go either direction. I'm only going to show that on one of these and then just pick one for the rest. So here's my y's. So I'm going to do 3 minus negative 4 over negative 2 minus 0. That's going to give me, remember, in this case, adding the opposite makes it plus. So that's going to be equal to 7 over negative 2. So that's going to be a negative slope. Now, just to show you, I could have done negative 4 minus 3 over 0 minus negative 2. Again, what would happen? Add, and I would end up with negative 7 over positive 2, which is still a negative slope. A negative divided by a positive is the same as a positive divided by a negative. So either one of these is correct. The negative can be on the top or the bottom. Here I'm just going to do one way. I'm just going to choose negative 2 minus negative 2 over negative 3 minus 1. What I will suggest is if you're starting with negative 2 minus 2, I suggest you circle the one that's going to be your first point, just to keep you on track. So again, make that plus. Now I end up with 0 over negative 4. 0 divided by negative 4. If you type that in your calculator, you will get a 0. And that is a 0 slope. That's a horizontal line. Now over here, if I do negative 6 minus 5 on the top, y minus y. On the bottom, starting with this one, 7 minus negative 5 plus, I get negative 6 minus 1, 9 minus 5 is negative 11 over positive 12. And that works out. Now, case in point on number 2, real quickly. If I would have had a 0 on the bottom, so let's say I end up with a slope like 5 over 0, type that in your calculator and see what happens. On something like this, you get an error because there is no slope. So a 0 on the top is okay. A 0 on the bottom is not. A linear equation can be written in the form y equals mx plus b. Remember that's the slope-intercept form. Or ax plus by equals c, which is standard form. It may not have variables multiplied together or variables in the denominator. The variables have only a 1 part exponent. So these are all linear. These are not. Okay? Power higher than 1 in the denominator. Variables being multiplied. Square root. Okay. Important formulas for graphing lines. Standard form. So for the x-intercept, we have a number here in x, and y is 0, which is why we plug in a 0 for y to solve. For the y-intercept, we plug in a 0 for x and have a number for y. That form is ax plus by equals c. Notice your x and the y is on the one side, and your standard number, the constant, is over on the other side. So for example, if I had a problem like 3x plus 2y equals 6. If I plug in a 0 for x, right here, I would be left with 2y equals 6, which means y is 3. So 0, that would give me the point 0, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Again, I plugged in a 0 for x. Now, if I plug in a 0 for y, the 2y disappears. I'm left with 3x equals 6. 6 divided by 3 is 2. That's the point 2, 0, which is right here. And there's my line. Very simple to graph. Plug in 0 for x, plug in 0 for y, connect the dots. Slope intercept, my favorite. Y equals mx plus b. M is your slope, b is your beginning. It's the y-intercept. It's where you're starting. So if I had something like y equals negative 3/4 x plus 2. Well, my b, my beginning is 1, 2 right here. Now with negative 3/4, I have two choices. I can go down 3, 1, 2, 3, and write 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I can also go think about the negative being down here instead. Right? I could write as 3 over negative 4 and go up 3 and left 4, which would put me out here. And I end up on the same line. So a negative fraction can be down then right, or up and then left. This should be all reviewed. Point slope form, y minus y equals m times x minus x. So if you're given a point, okay, x1, y1, you plot it on the graph. Remember that if you take a number out, change the sign, m is your slope, y is overrun. We're not actually going to work with point slope form, just reminding you that it's out there, but we're mainly going to work with slope intercept and standard form. Okay, so to graph these, okay, we're going to see what the best thing to do is here. Well, remember, f of x is the same as y. So this, to me, looks like the best thing to do is slope-intercept form. So we go to 1/2, which is right here. Put it down at 1/2. And then we're going to go a slope, m equals 3 over 1, and b equals 1/2. So I'm going to go up 3, 1, 2, 3, stay in between, right 1, and there's my point. Up 3, 1, 2, 3, right 1. 1, 2, 3, right 1. 1, 2, 3. Actually, I'm going to go off. So I also go down. 1, 2, 3, left 1. I go down 1, 2, 3, left 1. And if I draw my line using a straight edge, hopefully, you get a nice perfectly straight line like that. Over here, since it's standard form, I'm going to use the two intercepts. I'm going to plug in a 0 for y, which is really nice, which gives me the y goes away. So I'm left with 3x equals 15. Divide by 3, I get 5. So that gives me a nice intercept at 5, 0. This one's going to be a little bit different because I have a fraction, and that's okay. Fractions are our friends. I'm going to put a 0 in for x, which is going to give me negative 4y equals 15. When I divide, I get negative 15 fourths. Probably easier if you turn it into a mixed number, so that's going to be negative 3. 4 times 3 is 12. That leaves 3/4. So that's going to give me negative 3 3/4. So 0, down 3, kind of hard, but they're in between, negative 3 3/4, close to 4, and there's my line. Alright, so I guess we did throw one of these in. I'm sorry, I lied. So this is y minus 5. So there's my y. And this is x minus negative 2. So that's my x. So my point is negative 2, 5. So I go negative 2, 5, I'm up 2, up 5. And then my slope is right here. Up 3, 1, 2, 3, right 1. Or down 3, left 1. And I can keep going 1, 2, 3, right 1. 1, 2, 3, left 1. And it gives me an idea of where my line is. So that's point slope form. Okay, so this one, this is y equals. There's a couple ways of thinking about this. You could distribute the 1/4, or you could think of it as point slope form and do y minus 0 equal to 1/4 x minus 7. So that's the point 7, 0 with a slope of 1/4. 1/4 means up 1, right 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or, so I'm going to go off the page, down 1, left 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's going to give me a really, this is one where I'm going to use the straight edge tool because I can't get into that. There we go. Like so. Now, if you wanted to use y equals mx plus b, you would have to distribute this and get y equals 1/4 x minus 7/4. And that's okay. You would just have to change this into negative 1 3/4 with a slope of 1/4. Well, if you look, that goes through negative 1 3/4 on the y-axis. So you could have done it with either formula. It would work out fine. Y equals 5. These are really nice because y is always 5. So this is the point 0, 5, and 5, 5, and negative 3, 5. Y is always 5. So there's 0, 5, here's 5, 5, here's negative 3, 5. You can get the gist. It's a horizontal line going through 5. Similarly, here, x is always negative 4, no matter what. 2, 9, negative 8. So, negative 4, I go up 4 and up 2. Negative 4, up 9. Negative 4 and down 8. It is a vertical line through negative 4. Okay, parallel lines have the same slope. Exactly the same. They'll never touch. Perpendicular lines means they cross at right angles have two things going on. Opposite, so one's positive, one's negative, and reciprocal slopes. So, number 10, given a line with a slope of negative 3/4, a parallel line is going to be the same. Perpendicular is going to be opposite, so positive, and flip it, 4/3. So, we're almost there. Number 11. Determine the slope and write the equation of the line. Then find lines parallel and perpendicular. So, my slope, if you look at these points, they go through these two specific points. So my slope is down 1, 2, so down 2, and right 1, 2, 3, 4. If you would have noticed, it's also here, which is down 1, right 2, negative 1/2. My y-intercept, I can't tell, hold on. Kind of blurry on here. Oh, my mistake. These are counting by 2's. You have to notice that. So, kind of blurry on the board. It's better on the paper. So this is actually, we're going to go from here to here. You know it goes through. This is down 2 and right 2, 4 that way. I mean, it's the same one, but sorry for the mistake, I wasn't thinking. But no, you got to pay close attention to what your numbers are, because it will change sometimes depending on slope of the line. So pay attention, you know what the units are. Now, my y-intercept is 4. So that means the equation of the line is y is equal to m negative 1/2 x plus 4. A parallel line is going to have a negative 1/2 slope, and a perpendicular line is going to have positive 2/1 or just 2. Okay, last one, number 12, and then we're finished. Number 12, it looks like this is also going by 2 units. So negative 2, negative 6 is the y-intercept. That's 2. So from here, we're going up 2, 4, 6. Up 6, right 2, which is a slope of 3. So a parallel line is going to have a slope of 3, and a perpendicular line is going to have a slope of negative 1/3. And there you go.